Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Gnome Reviews here. We got the Gen 1 Khalil Ace SAR 545 by 39 with the 45 round Malott mag, 40 rounds of Horny Black 545 by 39 VMAX, sporting the Krebs I.M.S titanium muzzle brake. So, without further ado, let's see how she runs. She's empty. It's real. Let me let the mic calm down for a second. I will say it's only about, you can see my breath. It's only about, it's probably 20 degrees right now. So my fingers are so cold. I'm not even able to pull the trigger as fast because it's so cold right now. So I'm going to have to wait till it warms up before I come back out. I'll try it again whenever it warms up, but it's too cold for me to try to shoot fast right now. So I did the best for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Gnome Reviews out.